Hi, this is Edward DeLeon. We're riding Wonder Woman Flight of Courage here at Six Flags Magic Mountain today. And this is my first ride here in the front row. It's a really good ride. It opens this Saturday, July 16th. And now we're going up the lift. It's a really fast lift hill. I'm just like looking straight forward. This is gonna be an exciting ride. You know, it's a great view because you can see the entire park here. It's really loud. Okay, here we are at the top. Okay, let's go. Oh, yeah! Whoa! Whoa, this thing's crazy. Whoa! Whoa! Down. Whoa! Oh God, that was slappy. Woo! The thing whoops you around. Whoa! Woo! Woo! And the bed course brake run. Here we go. Woo! Yeah. Woo! Some air time. Woo! Yeah. Love these little wave turn. Ah! And bow break. Wow. Wow, that was incredible. This is Wonder Woman Flight of Courage here at Six Flags Magic Mountain. Remember, it opens July 16th, this Saturday. The world's tallest and longest single rail coaster. And it's Magic Mountain's 20th coaster, the most out of any park in the world. Oh, that was great. All right, I give it 2 thumbs up.